Now, ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome the fabulous Blow Monkeys?
I just got your message, baby. So sad to see you fade away. Yeah. Well, it'll get you in the end. It's God's revenge. But I know I should come clean. But I prefer to deceive. Yeah, I do. Well, I know it's wrong. I know it's wrong. Tell me why. Is it I'm in your sin? I'm gonna die, baby. Put you in a home to fill in. Lord, I wouldn't call that living. Well, I'm gonna say that I was just myself again. Oh, tell me why is it I'm digging your sin? I know I'll die, my little baby. Got your message, baby. So sad to see you fade away. Well, I'd like to say that I was just myself again. Oh, tell me why is it I'm digging your sin? I know I'll die, my little baby. Do